The first thing we did on this house is we were like, okay, we got to clean this thing out. The seller had left a bunch of stuff that they didn't want anymore in the home. And the first thing we did is I looked at it. I got a bid from a trash company, and the guy said it'll be $1,000 to trash everything. It's gonna take like 3 or 4 trailer loads. So I looked at a lot of the stuff in the house, and I said, well, this has some value. There was a upright freezer, there were some grills, there were some sheds in the back. So I said, let's try selling some of this stuff. So one of the guys from my team, he just put all the stuff that was sellable right here on the back porch, and he put on KSL and on Facebook, and he said, hey, on the back porch there's some stuff. If you want to buy it, just go grab it. So people would just go grab this stuff, Venmo him, and we ended up making around $3,000 on the stuff we sold. So instead of having to pay $1,000 to junk it, we made $3,000, and we had to junk, clean up and junk a little bit of the rest, which cost us like $500. So we actually ended up making money on the stuff that was in the home. So that's why we're back out here. If you have a flip, throw some of the stuff that's valuable in KSL, Facebook, Craigslist, make some money. Don't throw that stuff away. I mean, there's a lot of valuable things.